What's up, YouTube? This is Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, we finally finished this thing. So I'm glad it's done. It was a finicky build, and it took me a little bit, to get this thing how I wanted it. So this is gonna be ready for Vegas. So without further ado, let's check it out. Let me show you guys. I took the motor from the Nova kit and actually put it in here, and I did my little magic to it. So let me see if I can get some light on here. I don't know if this is even helping, so let me see here. So I went ahead and put linkage on the carbs. I ran it all into the firewall. Aftermarket carbs, because I don't like any kit carbs. I scratch built my exhaust. Put a ship tack on there instead of the regular tack. You can't see the flake pop on this thing right now, but I promise you it dances. It's the lighting on this thing. So I fixed the doors shut on here because they were a pain, and these hinges here, let me get something here that I can point with here. These hinges here came out a long way, man. So I was like, nah, I ain't using that. And by the time I got this all together, I was like, I ain't even gonna make it work. I'm just gonna go ahead and glue them shut. I like it better that way. I went with the Pegasus wheels inside these tires, which I still can't figure out which kit they came off. I think they came off a dirt car or something, but I really like them. And a buddy of mine, Mark, gave me a set, but they're not quite these ones here. I noticed it the other day. There's the front ones. I went with the same tires for the front Pegasus wheels. I went ahead and plumbed the fuel lines and ran it into the firewall like it was going through like a block or something. I went ahead and put the wires for the distributor on there and plug wires. What else? A couple watch parts on there for the pulleys. What else did I do? I wired the tack. I wired the MSD box that's down there. I put it down on the bottom. I put the pipes through the body on this one, so that was kind of cool. I went ahead and I had pink Jake sticker, so I thought that was kind of cool. I put that in there. This window's finicky too. It's got these little tabs that you have to apply, and it's really, really finicky. So that's pretty much for the top of this thing. And let me zoom out so you can see it. I weathered the bottom. I went ahead and put a nut here in the oil pan. There's the collectors that I built here and bent the tubing, 2-piece drive shaft. It had holes in the pan because that's where the interior went in, so I went ahead and put some make it look like it had bolts and nuts in there for like the seats or something. Let me see. Pretty much that's it. I mean, doesn't look like a lot of work, but it really was a lot of work. So the inside's got flocked carpet. You can't really see in there. Yeah, you can, I guess. There you go. Seat belts. I chromed out re-chromed the gauges in there. The shine looks pretty shiny, pretty glassy looking. But that's pretty much the Lil Coffin in a nutshell. So next, I think it's going to be on my plate is I want to, let me bring this in here. I want to go ahead and finish the Nova, but I got something for this Nova that I might look at. So let's go ahead and move Lil Coffin out of the way, and I'll show you what's next here. There we go. So this is another Nova kit I've already had painted. I painted it, and I bought an aftermarket hood, cowl hood, and I scratching the other one's gone. So this was from what's its Outlaw Resins, I think. Maybe something like that. No. Gosh, Drag City Resins, that's it. Man, that guy makes some awesome stuff. This is what I want to put into this thing, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it or not, but so don't hold me to it just yet. Just all you YouTubers out there. I ordered this. Iceman Collections. It's an LS motor. It's got a bunch of different stuff in here. Let me show you. The quality was pretty good. Pretty surprised. Haven't pulled really anything off the tree, so I'll just show you how I got it. Comes with different intakes and stuff for it, and man, this thing came with a lot of stuff. So I'm thinking about putting this in there, and so I was hesitant to buy like these 3D resin parts, but because you never know what you're gonna get. But this, man, he does some pretty good work. I've also ordered off the Texas Scale Resins, and he does pretty good work also. So I'm gonna put that into something too, but not this project yet. I ordered the wheels from Iceman Collection, and the rear wheels, which are pretty nice. So some distributors, I wanted to try them. They look like they're pre-drilled, pretty nice stuff, man. So yeah, if you guys want to get some 3D resin parts, man, hit this guy up, man. He does really good stuff. I'm impressed, actually. I'm impressed, and I'll let you know how it fits in the car and if it's to the right scale. It looks like it is. So anyway, so that's the next project on the bench. Thinking about starting another one, but we'll pop that on you guys later. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video at 8 minutes. So I don't know why you watch this crap, but thank you. And I appreciate you guys following the Lil Coffin build. So that's it. You guys all take care. Have a good week, and talk to you in the next video. Bye.